on the bench the whole time.
Are you talking to me?
I am talking to you.
How you doing? All right, underman. How many goals you plan on scoring today?
Probably half a goal.
That answer's not going to suffice every time. What's the fuck is half a goal?
Half a goal. Get an apple bud.
How about you? How many goals you plan on scoring today?
Hopefully at least one.
Hey, what's good? We have a lot of players here today, and there's a lot of players on their team. So it's going to be quick, fast-paced, and they're going to have fresh legs. So that means there's going to be a lot of goals, which means it's going to be 13-10. We're going to win, of course, and I'm going to score the last goal.
Oh, shit. That won't hurt. Why don't you wait for me? Howie. This guy is here with the Brew team, but cheering for the other team. How the fuck does that make sense?
I am not cheering for the other team, so you better chill.
That penalty makes sense. That penalty makes sense.
What are you talking about?
That tripping penalty?
No, I'm talking about why the fuck they tripped them in the first place.
Oh, okay. I got my eyes on you.
Yeah, you better. Don't let them bro to you like that. Come on. Damn, I could have caught that. I'm up for that now. So close. Whoa. Good try, Bailey. Good try.
Wasn't good enough. Stay on his fucking feet.
Listen here, bud. How you gonna shit talk your own fucking team like that, all right? You better get a grip.
This guy is supposed to be the best hockey player in the world. The most fucking goals, and can't stay on his goddamn feet. camera, man. That's his third goal of the season. As the clock's winding down, he got a clutch goal. They're only down by one.
As he should. Good
What do you
shit.
expect from them in the third period?
To kick some fucking ass. What do you mean? That is all they're gonna do is kick ass. You see that goal? That goal was light work. They got this.
Not your hottest game, but it's okay.
I did
So
my
proud of
job.
you. Huh?
I did my job. Block shot, took a shot, stole the puck. What do you want me to do? It's the offense. They're gonna score, not me.
You know, but we're used to, those little wide open shots. 100%. That what was going through your head tonight when you missed those?
I had the shots. Goalie had me. What do you want me to do?
Do you miss shots in bed as well?
Sometimes. Sometimes it slips out at the wrong time. Everywhere. It's a mess.
Did you get any of my saves on the fucking day?
No.
You know, Kirkwood?
I got one of them.
We went out there. What we?
Does it matter if you lost, Hess?
I got a goal.
Yes, it's all that matters. Now this guy,
I don't want to hear it. All right. Skates weren't moving.
what happened to you being, yeah.
Well, that's not a thing.
Okay. Yeah.
Prediction didn't come true. Apparently there were some solar flares, like the sun, the cosmos, just like affected the game. It's not our fault, really. I mean,